Hello guys! For today's video, we're gonna be making an authentic Filipino dish, which is chicken tinola. So first thing we're gonna do is to cut up some green papaya into small wedges. We have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, sliced ginger, and we have minced garlic, and the medium-sized chopped onion. I have here around 2 pounds of skinless chicken. Any part of the chicken, it's fine to use tinola. I add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce or yung ating patis. A teaspoon of ground black pepper. A teaspoon of salt. Then, stir lang natin. And then after that, bring your tinola mix into a boil. Cover and let it simmer for about 45 minutes. So after cooking your chicken tinola mix for 45 minutes, you can add your green papaya. Then cover with the lid and simmer for another 10 minutes. And then after that, I'm gonna add some boiling water. I boil the water just to speed up the process. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of white sugar. I'm gonna add more ground black pepper. And then after that, we're gonna simmer until our papayas are cooked. In the Philippines, we usually use moringa leaves or dahon na malunggay. But here in my area, it's more easier to find baby spinach. This is a very easy chicken stew recipe. I hope that you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye for now!